What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, to Art Vibe Studios, and today I'm going to show you how to gesso canvas. So the first thing you want to do is obviously have a canvas on you, and then you want to buy acrylic gesso. I bought Liquitex because that's the only ones they had at Michael's, and you can get this at your local art shop anywhere. They're pretty cheap. Michael's had discounts, so I kind of bought these. The other material that you're going to use is sand stick or sandpaper, a brush, or a roller. So right here, what I'm doing is I'm just pouring out the amount of gesso that I need. This one is already good because I used it before. What I'm going to do now is just take the roller and then just go like this to get the gesso on the roller. Now I'm just gonna apply it on the canvas. Because this is a small canvas, I don't really have to worry, but they said to go in one direction the first time you're gonna do it. So I'm only gonna do 2 to 3 coats. After the first layer, what you wanna do is you wanna wait for it to dry and then sand it down to see if it's fully dry. You don't wanna have any wet surface on the canvas. So my canvas first layer has been dried. I literally used the heater that was on, and that was kind of a quick method for me to make my first layer dry. So now what you wanna do is you wanna take your sand stick and then sand the first layer down so you can remove any ridges from the first layer to make the layer more smoother. And you want to do this in a ventilated area. So now you want to go vertical. Yeah, I kind of do like this way better than the roller, and you want to go one stroke even as possible. So I just got done sanding down my canvas, second layer. So what I want to show you guys, you see that hole right there? So that happened as I was sanding it down. It wasn't too much gesso. So you want to make sure that you get the right amount of gesso. So now I'm going to do my third layer, which is going to be my last layer. And then from there I'm done. And then you have your prime canvas ready to go and to be used. All right, got my third layer. So guys, there you go. You have a prime canvas ready to be used. Thank you for watching my videos and stay tuned for more.